Bet you can't sneeze with your eyes open. Go ahead, try it. Your brain literally forces them shut. It's called the photic sneeze reflex. Blame your nervous system's weird wiring. And no, your eyeballs won't pop out if you cheat. But good luck fighting evolution. Fun fact, some people can do it. 0.1% of us. Drop a fire emoji if you just tried and failed. Follow for more weird body hacks. Next up, why you can't tickle yourself. Achoo. Yep, eyes closed again. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to know more facts.